Hey guys! In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 best portable vacuum cleaner for car available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the link in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Number 1. Black+Decker Dustbuster Hand Vacuum. One of the most popular handheld vacuums currently available is the Black+Decker Dustbuster Hand Vacuum. This hand vacuum isn't just an ideal choice for cleaning cars, but it can also be used to tidy up your household. Weighing just 2.6 pounds, the cordless vacuum can only be used on dry materials, which isn't true for all handheld cordless vacuums, so keep that in mind if you're shopping for a wet, dry vacuum. It is rated at 15.2 watts with max voltage of 16 volts and has a suction power of 15.2 air watts or. The washable dust bowl has a capacity of 20.6 ounces and it's one of the easiest hand vacuums to empty out and clean. Powering the Dustbuster is a lithium-ion battery that takes about 4 hours to fully charge. Best of all, charging is easy since it uses a charging base. The company says the battery is capable of holding a charge for up to 18 months, allowing you to conveniently keep it in your car. While there are cheaper options available, the Dustbuster also comes with a flip-up brush and a crevice tool, two attachments that will come in handy on floor mats and hard-to-reach places inside your cabin. Overall, the Black+Decker Dustbuster is a medium-duty hand vacuum that will help keep your car clean with minimal effort. It is also backed by a 2-year limited warranty. Pros: lightweight, powerful, battery life, included attachments, 2-year warranty. Cons: not a wet vacuum, average dust bowl capacity. Number 2. Black+Decker Dustbuster Pivot Vacuum. An Amazon's Choice product, the Black+Decker Dustbuster Pivot Vacuum features a 3-stage filtration system. Its key feature is the exclusive nozzle that pivots a full 200 degrees to really get into nooks and crannies. With a wide mouth design, it combines power and detail so that it can handle even your bigger jobs. This handheld vacuum is ideal for dry surfaces and upholstery with a bagless dirt bowl and 3.5 AW suction power. It comes with extra tools to help you get the job done, like an onboard brush and onboard crevice tool. It takes 4 hours to charge, and users generally report 10 to 12 minutes of use before requiring a charge again. Pros: 200-degree pivoting nozzle. Cordless use. Up to 4 hours of battery. Cons: most expensive on our list. Number 3. BISSELL AeroSlim Cordless Vacuum. BISSELL is a well-known brand when it comes to vacuum cleaners, and its stylish AeroSlim handheld vacuum is a great option for taking care of your car's interior. Powered by a lithium-ion battery, this vacuum operates for up to 12 minutes on a single charge, which may or may not be enough depending on the size of your vehicle and the mess. As with all rechargeable batteries, if you use it frequently and need to charge it often, battery life and performance will start to degrade, but for routine maintenance, its compact size and affordable price make it an attractive option. Features on this handheld vacuum include a dual-level filtration system that uses washable and reusable filters, an easy-to-empty dirt bin, and USB charging. That means you can charge this vacuum with your vehicle if it's equipped with a USB port. It doesn't come with very many accessories however, with the sole 2-in-1 crevice tool and dusting brush found inside the box. With a sleek and compact design, this vacuum is best for small messes and quick cleanups. Pros: compact, sleek design, up to 12 minutes on a single charge, USB charging, washable filters. Cons: battery life may not be enough for larger vehicles and messes, only comes with one accessory tool. Number 4. ThisWorx Portable Car Vacuum Cleaner. Despite its small and lightweight build, the portable car vacuum cleaner by ThisWorx has 110 WOF suction power at over 9 amps. Its thoughtful design incorporates a clear, flat bottom for an easy-to-see dirt collection, and there is a built-in LED light for better visibility. Maintenance is simple with a washable double filter that uses industry-leading double HEPA filter technology. Plus, the ergonomic design is lightweight, weighing 2.4 pounds. This vacuum is corded but includes an extra long 16-foot power cord that plugs into a 12 volts outlet. Overall, it is a miniature vacuum that is both lightweight and compact. Your purchase includes a complete vacuum kit with multiple attachments, a filter cleaning brush, an extra filter, and a travel bag. The ThisWorx Portable Car Vacuum Cleaner is available in your choice of black or white with its signature orange accents. Pros: very affordable. Dual wet-dry function. Extra long cord. Cons: corded option. Average suction power. Number 5. Armor All Double A255 Dry Vacuum Cleaner. Car messes are made of more than dust, dirt and crumbs, sometimes there are also spills and accidents, and for those moments, you'll need a wet VAC. It's even better if you can find a portable wet-dry vacuum to clean all sorts of messes, and that's where the Armor All AA 255 comes in. The Armor All AA 255 may resemble a shop VAC, but it's specifically designed for cleaning your car interior, with a nozzle and several crevice tool options custom made for getting into nooks and crannies. This car VAC also converts to a blower, allowing it to easily provide airflow to remove debris that gathers on the outside of a car, like leaves or dirt. The AA 255 is a corded cleaner, but the 6-foot hose adds some flex room to the reach afforded by the 10-foot cord. Its 2.5-gallon tank ensures that even large messes are little challenge. As for performance, the AA 255 is consistently among the highest-rated car vacuums on retail sites such as Amazon, Walmart and AutoZone. Pros: auto shut-off feature. Dual user as blower. 2.5-gallon tank. Cons: very heavy. If you enjoy this video, like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this.